God of this commission is faithful. If you are clapping, let's clap better for Jesus. In one of the services, God's servant prophesied that my slavery and servitude was over. Again, he said, God by divine favor is taking those without even a local identity and turning them into global superstars and power players. I keyed into this. Today, I am here to give God the glory for his faithfulness in confirming his word in my life through his servant. I have, without writing any job application, been appointed the managing director of an international publicly listed company at the age of 34. Hallelujah. Not only